Hello students of class 10. Let's start our SS study also. Okay, so in SS we will start firstly economics. First chapter. First chapter is development. Okay, today we will discuss about the development. What is development? You know, development is the progressing condition of anyone else. Means you are in which condition, in which step and stage you want to increase day by day. Everyone having much more desires, means people want to get more than that. Okay, so you know development, it is the process, means in anyone's life having developing and progressing, increasing their value and everything else. Okay, means it is development. Like the first step, you know, the first step of development is the base. Means when we will start from the base, then one by one we will get our means success, and then one day we will reach from our goal. That is development. Okay, and in development this process means, if for example, if anyone, any student having a bicycle, okay, for going to school, and then means that boy after passing some days get a bike for going to school, means it is the second step. Means he is developing here. Firstly he was going by foot, secondly he got bicycle for going to school, and after that he got a bike for going the school, bike riding. Okay, after that his ambitions and aspiration not will be stopped. Then again he will desire to get a good and luxurious car, and then when he got his luxurious car for going the school or office, that time means he is in developing way, progressing way of his life. And whatever his desires, after fulfill the one need, means his another desire will come. After fulfilling that desire, another will come. In this way, means peoples have much more desires. Okay, and never ending desires they have. After that he will reach at goal and target. Okay, and for example students, when he will pass class 10, class 10 means should be good marks. After that class 12 he will get good marks, means he will be increasing condition in his life. Okay, after that graduation will be complete, and after graduation whatever his goal, he will work on that, and one day he will get his goal. That is development. Okay, अरे ये क्या हुआ है? You know, means development promises different people and different goals. Means a lot of people's living in this world having their different desire and aspirations. Means in this way, different people may be their different goals. For example, anyone means want to take means a jewelry, a nice jewelry, and another person want to take means building for living there. Means in this way their developmental goal may be according to their interest. Okay, so different peoples having their different goals. Someone want to be engineer, someone want to be doctor, means in studying life also, and someone having a lot of technician skill, want to be technician, and you know motor mechanic. In this way, means a lot of peoples in society may be having different interest, aspirations, and according to that they will work. They will work for progressing, for getting, for achievement of their target. In this way, in whole the world having different people having their different goals. Next headline is income and other goals. Income, You know, income is the source of development, base of development. Without income, without money, we cannot be developed, because a lot of materialistic things we can purchase by the money. Okay, for example, means bangla, building, jewelry, a lot of equipments, home equipments, and luxurious cars. We can purchase, we can get development by the money. But except of money, means except of income, another things also in our life very important, means पैसे के अलावा भी बहुत सी चीजें हैं जो पाने के लिए व्यक्ति जो है हमेशा वर्क करता है. एंड सम ह्यूमन सेंसिटिव वैल्यूज आल्सो, लाइक रिस्पेक्ट इन सोसाइटी, honor in society, and security, safety, freedom, and equal treatment in society. These things also people wants, okay, with the money. पैसे के साथ साथ लोग इज्जत भी चाहते हैं कि सोसाइटी में सभी लोग उनकी रिस्पेक्ट करें और सभी के साथ इक्वल ट्रीटमेंट हो, किसी के साथ डिस्पैरिटी ना हो, किसी के साथ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ना हो. ये सारी चीजें भी डेवलपमेंट में आती हैं. ये सब नॉन मटेरियल में आएंगी. ओके, मीन्स इन नॉन मटेरियल हैविंग public respect, education, health care, a lot of things also, means except of money. Okay, different persons have their different goal. According to that, national development, self improvement is the society's development. If you will improve yourself, then your family will be increased, will be developed, society will be developed, and after society your country already will be developed. Means in this way national development means got achieve their target when their country peoples being developed in their family, in their society. If for example any students means got the name and fame in his family, got the good job, then means society credit will increase, and after that he will do his best service for the nation. It mean in this way he will do national development. And per capita income, how to compare different countries and states, comparison of state to state, country to country, and family to family. You can take example. It's also measured by the income, by the economical condition of state, family, or country. Means if the per capita income will be increased any persons, then his family standard will be increased. Per capita income of any state will be increased, then that state's condition will be developed. And in this way in whole the world, means if any country having per capita income being increased, that time that country will be developed country. Okay, means average income. What is the average income of the country? We will get the per capita income, means the average income equal to total income of country divided total population of country, then we will get per capita income. In this way means we can measure the country, what is the economical condition of that country peoples. Okay, in the world development report, per capita income is used to classifying countries, and that according to calculation of 2017 countries per capita income of US dollar 12,056 per annum, means which country having that country are called rich country. And means country like means per capita income of US dollar 955, that country was poor country, means you can say low income country as India. Okay, India is not coming now in developed countries. Okay, so means that criteria, by this criteria we can measure any country means being developed or developing. Okay, in this way income and other criteria, income and other criteria also a component of development, means we cannot measure a country only by their income. Another facilities, another things also should be included. for the development. Means under to that means public facilities will come. Public facilities like sanitation, education sector means good or not that country or state, and public means employed or not, literacy rate of that country or state is good or not, and a lot of infrastructures and availability of resources, and sanitation, public transportation, road facilities, electricity, healthcare means everything, hospitals, everything we will judge, we will measure for the developing, for announcing the developing state or nation. Okay, and sustainability of development. Students means development, everyone into the race of development. Under to it, people's having no care about the environment, but we should be sustainable development. What is sustainable development? Means we can develop, we are developing, but without the harming nature. Means we should not hurt the nature into the race of development. It is the sustainability of development. Okay, means whatever our future generation, we should care in present time. We have to hand over whatever natural facilities to our next generation. means जो कुछ भी आज हमारे पास है, नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज है, जो भी है, हमें उसको पॉल्यूट और डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं करना चाहिए, उसको हमें नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को हैंड ओवर करना है। ये बात दिमाग में रख करके हमें डेवलपमेंट करना चाहिए। सेटअप ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज, factories, a lot of technicians, things, whatever we are doing today rapidly, a lot of buildings we are making, means we should care of future generation. Overpopulation, whatever, doing pollution, these side effect also we are seeing day by day. It's coming, it is harming the nature and environment. So natural disaster are coming in the symbol of that hurtness of nature, but we should care. Okay, in this way, the sum up of this chapter of development, we can say we human beings are developing and we are in the race of development, but we should care of everything except of money. A lot of things also very needed, very required for surviving. Okay, so we should care about it, and we should means do our sustainable development, whatever better for the future, whatever better for the next generation. Okay, thanks. सेव कर लिया।